sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha minus beta equals 1 minus m divided by 1 plus m. Then prove that what we have to prove, tan minus alpha is equal to m into cot pi by 4 minus beta. Okay. So take this if condition. We are going to derive this condition from the given. So what is given here? Like sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta. We can't use any transformation or any other thing. Just simply apply what formula we know. But before that, here we can find the value of m. By using what rule we can find the value of m? Componendo and dividendo. That is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Applied in both hand sides of the equation, right hand side as well as in the left hand side. So here what we have by componendo dividendo rule? So numerator sin alpha plus beta plus denominator cos alpha minus beta divided by numerator minus equal to same place here 1 minus m plus 1 plus m divided by 1 plus m. Okay. Now here simply this is sin c plus cos d. We don't have any formula. Better we'll apply that formula. Okay. So now here what we can apply? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta plus cos alpha minus beta formula is what? Plus whole divided by the same sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta minus here cos alpha minus beta we have to apply. Cos alpha minus beta na cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. You may ask me, we have alpha minus beta. In alpha minus beta we have the middle term positive only, right, in cos. Then why I am writing in this form? Consider this minus separately. Apply this formula like the both term will be positive as in the numerator. But this when this negative goes inside, we have both term will become negative. Now in the other side what we will have? In this side what we will have? Here plus m minus m cancelled, 2 by 2m plus 2m or minus 2m? Minus 2m. So we have 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Okay. Let it be. This 2 gets cancelled. So end of the day we have minus 1 by m. Okay. So next step. See, we got this one complicated, really complicated. Is it? How big is this? So now we are going to take anything common out from here. What can be taken out as common? See, either we can take sin alpha cos alpha, or else each one we have to take it out separately. Now think of it, from this term sin alpha cos beta and the same, see, this term, from this term and this term, what can be taken out as common? equal to, not equal. Cos beta we can take it out common. Okay, then remaining what will be there? Sin alpha plus cos alpha, correct? Now from the remaining these two terms, what can be taken out common? From the remaining these two terms, what can be taken out common? Sin beta. Sin beta taken out common. So we have again cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by here. Same applies here. From these two, what can be taken out? Cos beta. Then remaining sin alpha minus cos alpha. Correct? Take correct, sin alpha minus cos alpha. From the remaining other two terms, these two terms, what can be taken out common? Plus sin beta I am taking out common. So remaining cos alpha minus sin alpha. Okay, any doubts in this, right? Equal to 1 by m, actually minus 1 by m. Okay, okay. Next, from these two terms anything is common, right? Cos beta plus sin beta, that means these two terms you are taking out common. So I am taking out cos alpha plus sin alpha whole divided by here sin alpha minus cos alpha, here cos alpha minus sin alpha. So I am taking minus out from this term. So sin beta minus cos beta, these two terms taking out common, this will become cos alpha minus sin alpha. So cos alpha minus sin alpha is equal to 1 by m. Any doubts in this? You got confused in any one steps? No. Now those are the value of m, 1 by m. From that we can deduce the value of m. Have you completed this side, right? So the value of m is given by sin beta minus cos beta into cos alpha minus sin alpha divided by cos beta plus sin beta into cos alpha minus sin alpha. They actually minus m. Okay. Now hey, my bad. Denominator all the things plus positive. Okay, da. Now compare. I separated alpha and beta separately. Okay. So this looks like what formula actually? We have one formula. Can you remember? Tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Can you remember? Now the same applies here, is it or not? So there you can write tan pi by 4 minus alpha. Okay. Now the same we can apply here, but there is one problem. What problem? Cos beta minus sin beta should be there. So by taking minus common, that minus and this minus cancelled. So we can write that as tan pi by 4 minus beta is equal to m. Any doubts on this? Am I confusing or are you getting clarity? See here after applying the formula, I took common things out. Cos beta taken as common, here sin beta taken as common. So same in the denominator. While taking cos beta as common, I have sin alpha minus cos alpha. The same sin beta as common, cos alpha minus sin alpha as per what it is derived in the previous step. Okay. Now from these two we have to take cos alpha minus sin alpha as common. Okay. To take cos alpha minus sin alpha common, here we have sin alpha minus cos alpha. This has to be moved to front. So take minus out from here. So there we have minus cos beta in the next step. See, minus cos beta, the remaining sin beta minus cos beta. So here cos alpha minus sin alpha. Any doubts in this? Now from this I just rearranged, I took reciprocal. Here we have minus 1 by m. Okay, can you see here? So here we have minus 1 by m. Now reciprocal is minus m. So this denominator will become the numerator and this numerator will become the denominator. Okay. Now combine this. This resembles the formula tan pi by 4 minus theta. So I wrote tan pi by 4 minus, in place of theta we have alpha. The same applies here, but for that we need cos theta minus sin theta. That means cos beta minus sin beta should be there. So I took again one minus common, that made cos sin beta minus cos beta as cos beta minus sin beta. Okay. Now that minus, the taken out minus and already there one minus, both gets cancelled. I got the value of m like this. Now is this the value we have to prove? They kept alpha one side or beta one side? So this alpha one side, beta moved to other side. What we can write? Tan pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to m into, when this tan moved to other side we have 1 by tan, that 1 by tan is nothing but cot. Is this the same we have to prove? Yes, perfect. So hence prove. Very easy one, isn't it?